What is going on, everyone? It is Kieron the Barber. Firstly, I apologise. I know it's like 20 minutes long, this video, but trust me, stay to the end. There's so much you can learn from this video. We're doing a skin fade and a crop, which doesn't look like it really needs doing, but trust me, once you see the final result, you're going to be surprised. Trust me. So first things first, we start off with the Super ZR2s on a 5-0 guard, which is like it's pretty much a 0 guard but just gapped, so it gets real close, real short. I use my ZRs on, like, people come to me and they're like, what setting do you use your ZRs on? Because 5 different settings. It's 5 settings for a reason. I usually run mine on about 3. 3 is perfect. It's more than enough. It doesn't get hot then. It's seriously like the perfect clipper for just bolding out. It's really, really good. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to go to work our way down through the guards through a 1.5 to then a 1 open to a 1 closed to a 0 open, 0 closed, and then to a no guard open and closed. The main thing I want to do in this video is show you guys how we do 1, blowing out a beard, because we're going to blow dry a beard completely straight. 2, then trimming that beard. 3, we're gonna trim downwards on the beard to make it look really like to the face, as in so it doesn't stick out or branch out. It comes straight down in line with the face at a 90-degree angle, and it gives it that real square look which we want. And then I'm gonna do some beard enhancement with a spray gun, with like a tint gun kind of thing. I'm not really 100% what it's called, but I know how to use it and I know how to enhance that beard. So if you keep watching to the end of this video, you'll get to see all that kind of stuff. It's going to be absolutely awesome. I know I haven't done YouTube for a long time, and I know I keep saying I'm doing my Barbering 101s, but I will get to them, I absolutely promise you. It's just been a mad start to my year. I thought Christmas was really busy, and then it come to like January and I was like, yes, it's going to quieten down, I get to start my YouTube back up. All of a sudden, January is busy, February is busy, March is busy, April's now still busy. So I'm really trying my hardest to fit in not only like barbering, cutting hair, making money in the shop, my YouTube videos, my education, my traveling, my wife, my kids, my 2 dogs, my cats. I'm trying to absolutely fit in absolutely everything into the space of 7 days. I need, like, people say you need 8 days in the week. I need 9 or 10 days in the week to try and get everything done, trust me. So I'm currently sitting down, it's like 11 o'clock at night, and I am narrating this video for you guys, so that deserves a thumbs up if anything. I'm doing this for you guys. Everyone is in bed upstairs, I am downstairs, and I am narrating this video right now for you. So yeah, so what the best thing like with Ashley's hair is the fact that it blends so well. It blends really, really nice. As you can see, I'm doing like a more of a flicky motion instead of a kind of scratchy motion, because I want to just slowly start rubbing out that fade. So I get my hair, and then I get the hair, and I just do like a kind of a C motion, just so I can get that hair up and off, and that obviously helps blend it in. When you're flicking that out, it's going to take that extra edge of the hair off. It's not going to go into the hair, it's just going to flick up and out, so then that's what gives it the transition of the fade. So yeah, it's I haven't done a YouTube video in so long, I don't even know what to say. I'm getting all excited and stuff. How you all been? What you all been up to? How is life? Life is good. Where you all from? Like, I've do you know what? Over the past like few months, I've got so many new followers from India. I've got so many new followers from like China, Japan. I have all my amazing followers from, like, I get a lot of Brazil, Germany. Shout out Brazil, shout out Germany, shout out Americans, peace. I love you all. You're the one that helps me with my fades every day, trust me. If I'm not doing YouTube videos and I'm not cutting hair, I'm watching people like Chris Bossier, like 360. I watch Beard Brand, I watch all them kinds of things, because, you know, even though I'm doing YouTube videos, I'm still learning every single day, and you should never ever stop learning. I'm not gonna bore you too much, because if I keep talking I can literally talk all day, all night. People who know me know that I can just talk and talk and talk and I don't shut up. But I know some people write on my videos and go, will you shut up, will you stop talking? I actually want to say fuck you, but I know that's not very PC, so I'm gonna stop talking for like a couple minutes to give you like a little bit of break from my voice, and then I'm gonna start talking and annoying you again. See you in a minute. So I didn't show the product, but what I did do was I rubbed Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum in Ashley's beard. If you don't use Paul Mitchell's Skinny Serum, or you've never used it before on a beard, you have not done beards properly. Let me tell you that right now. I am not sponsored by Paul Mitchell. I am not doing anything for them. I pay for this. I love it. Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. It smells like watermelon. It is amazing, let me tell you that right now. And it's smooth because it's a serum. When you blow dry it in, it's like a pre-product. That beard goes dead straight and it's smooth, it's soft, it's amazing. Get yourself on the phone to Paul Mitchell and say, I've been sent by Kieronthebarber to get some testers of Skinny Serum. You need to give me them right now, and hopefully they'll send you out a couple of testers. You can rub it into your beard. It is amazing. You will not be disappointed. And what I tend to do with most beards is I do blow dry most beards out, and the reason for blow dry most beards out is because it makes them nice and straight, and it makes them a lot easier to cut. If they're all wiry and stuff, it doesn't actually give them a real it doesn't show their real value. They're just messy. So what I like to do is I like to strain it all out first, show the beard its full potential, and then cut from there. And it definitely works. Like I love blow drying a good beard. You can't beat blow drying a good beard, especially like the finish and look for it. It looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, definitely I would say if you're watching my video and you're looking at like how to maintain your beard, and you're from the UK, I don't know if they do it in America, they probably do. I found this trick out because I'm currently growing a beard, a year I think it's called, so it's like a beard for a year, and I've tried loads of things, but I tell all my customers right now, you have to use, it sounds silly, Johnson's baby shampoo, the yellow one, the No More Tears one. Use Johnson's No More Tears yellow shampoo on your beard, and you will come back in this video and you will go, Kieron, you have changed my life. It is the best thing. Honestly, it's like £1, it's like $1, it's like a yen. I don't know what it is, but it is cheap, let me tell you that for nothing. Wash it twice in your beard and you'll come out feeling so soft. It's amazing. So yeah, make sure put that on the list right now. Johnson's No More Tears baby shampoo. I learned that fact from someone who is a big like beard guy. The thing is people know me, they know I'm a realist. I'm not a bullshitter. They know that I tell the truth, in a sense of I'm gonna say it. If it's good or if it's bad, I'm gonna tell the truth. And a lot of people are on here to advertise and products that they probably don't like and stuff like that. I had someone slag me off because I put like cheap blue gel in as a pre-product. I still sometimes use blue gel or whatever you want to call it as a pre-product because it works. I don't care if it's cheap, I don't care if you're spending 20 quid on a product or you're spending 50p on a product. If it works, it works. Let me tell you that for nothing. So yeah, trust your instincts and go buy this Johnson's baby shampoo for your beard and then come back and thank me. I promise you that. So now coming on to the beard enhancements. Quick shout out to Raw Image Barbershop. Blah. We use Kiss, and it's a real mixture of like half the tint and half alcohol. What that does, that mixes together, it stays on the skin a lot longer. I've been doing it a few months, I'm still kind of getting used to it. As you can see in a minute, I splurred on his neck, but you just use a bit of alcohol just to get that off, like nail polish remover or something along them lines. Like it's just a disinfectant and another alcohol, and that just gets it off really simple. But you can see how sharp that now looks instead of it being so kind of separated. It just makes it really stand out. And as you say, you know, it is enhancing the beard. It's not cheating, man. Women dye their hair every single day of the week. Women put on makeup, so why can't men tint their beards? You know, if it makes it look better, then why the hell not? Who's to judge absolutely anyone on what they want to do or what they want to wear? You know, I don't care. You know, as long as someone walks out of my shop happy and they pay me and potentially tip me, I'm loving life. So fuck the haters. I don't care. And this is me working at full speed. Lol. Just a quick recap of showing you how I cut the back. We cut Ashley's hair at the back, to be fair, quite high. He likes it quite high. If it was up to me, I'd leave the crown probably a little bit longer, but hey, it's entirely up to the customer and what they want. You know, some customers like low fades, low tapes. Other customers like high fades. You know, everybody's different, and that's a good thing. If we were all the same, it would be boring. So the top's fairly short, it is, so we're literally just going to be chipping into that hair slightly. I'm currently using my orange scissors, and don't get me wrong, I love my orange scissors. I got them from Russia. Weirdly enough, over dinner, the woman sitting next to me was like, "Oh, you're a barber?" I was like, "Yes." She was like, "I have scissors in my pocket." I was like, "What?" So she gave me these scissors. I tell you why I'm using my orange scissors, because I went to a hair show recently in Italy, in Bologna, and I was on my last cut of the last day, and I've gone away to take photos with the guy who got his hair cut because it was a good cut. I come back and someone had stole my scissors, my Kenchis, which made me very sad. I can't believe someone would just steal a pair of scissors. It was probably my fault, I shouldn't have left them out, you know, but I'm quite a trustworthy guy. I think the barbering community is quite a loving community, but there's obviously one or two dickheads still in it. If you're gonna nick someone's scissors, like, people know how much scissors cost, and it's just ridiculous. But yeah, shout out to the guy who stole my scissors. If you're listening, you're a dick, and I wish that you get your feet run over, you asshole. But Kenshi have been really good. They've told me to email them, and then they hopefully send me out another pair, so it's not the end of the world. Obviously he must have needed them a lot more than I needed them. A he or a she, could be anyone. Not saying anything about genders. I don't judge. So yeah, we're just blunting Ashley's fringe. So I start with the scissors, and I realise that Ashley's fringe is so thick that I'm just gonna have to go with the slim lines. It's just so much easier. And to finish, a bit of Duke and Hyde powder, the volumizer. If you haven't used Duke and Hyde before, it's sick. It's do you know what, I always said like the Got To Be is like one of the best powders, but this Duke and Hyde stuff, I've just brought a load in the shop myself because I loved it so much. It's like the Got To Be, but it's just a little bit softer. It's not too like clumpy, and that's why I really liked it, because you can kind of mess around with the hair a bit more, gives it more volume, but with like a slight less hold to it, but it still keeps it that dry look, which is perfect. Yeah, absolutely love it. It's probably the best product I've used. A little bit of spray afterwards just to help it hold, and yeah, we're all good to go. Check it out. What do you think? Please share this video, obviously. Give me a subscribe, that'd be great. Let your friends know. Boom, peace out, love to you all.